Common equipment used for carpet cleaning. Some common equipment that is usually used for carpet cleaning in Singapore and in other parts of the world are: high pressure cleaner, vacuums, scrubber dryers, pressure washers, steam cleaner. There are 3 methods of carpet cleaning, which include the different equipment/machines as per the requirement. 1. Hot water extraction. Hot water extraction is the most common method of carpet cleaning in Singapore. Most people and companies also prefer this method. This method is also known as steam cleaning. For this, hot water extraction carpet cleaning, there are 2 types of machines available. A. The portable equipment. This common equipment is the smaller one and much easier to carry around for the carpet cleaning. The portable equipment is capable of generating hot water and steam. With this, you just need to mix the soaps. B. Truck-mounted equipment. For the larger and bigger carpet cleaning, it requires bigger equipment. Thus, truck-mounted equipment is suitable for the cleaning and washing of large carpets. 2. Dry carpet cleaning. In this method of carpet cleaning, the cleaning product is mixed with the carbonated water and then it gets misted onto the carpet through the spray. Lots of dry carpet cleaning methods are relying on specialized equipment. The common equipment which is used in dry carpet cleaning includes the manufactured products through Brush and Clean, Hose Dry, and Whittaker system. 3. Carpet shampooing. This type of method which is used in carpet cleaning includes the use of motorized circular brushes. This is also the other common equipment for carpet cleaning. Through this, the foaming cleaning products are then sprayed on the surface of the carpet. It is then scrubbed into the carpet or mat. This is then cleaned through the rotary equipment, which is followed by the wet vacuum process. The floor scrubber, high pressure cleaner, vacuums, scrubber dryer, pressure washers, and steam cleaners, all these common equipment for carpet cleaning are used on different types of carpets according to their suitability. However, amongst all, the use of vacuum and steam equipment is more as compared to the other equipment. The floor scrubber equipment is generally used in industries where hygiene is the most important thing. These industries include healthcare, aged care, hospitality and contractor markets, etc.